exhale. All we have to do to go back into kind of a quasi-horse configuration is turn our toes out. Okay? And so the next one we're going to do is this really nice flowy one. It kind of looks like a Parshvakonasana, but this is more of a Qigong movement, yeah. So we're going to really kind of stroke and trace that lung meridian open, palms up. And see, we're so sneaky that we're in a horse there in the middle. Okay? See, this one, the back leg is going to straighten. Yeah. And then pull. Trace the lung meridian. Palms up. And then just keep it going. You know, and the faster you do it, then the least time you have to spend in horse, but, you know, we don't mind. Ideally, we don't mind lingering in horse for another moment or so. Woo! Oh, it feels good. Keep going. And then we are going to take Parshvakonasana tonight. Trace, open, trace, open. Okay, this one's going to be it. Take it over. Now we're going to take that elbow right to the thigh, and then we're going to turn that back foot. So instead of the toes pointing out, that toe will point in. Oh, this feels kind of good tonight. Now try to get that weight into the heel, into the front leg heel. Shoulders down away from the ears, making a nice big beautiful line from the tips of your fingers to your outer foot. Whew. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Big circle, nice big slow circle. Here's the transition. Take it all the way down. Lunge. Don't worry. We'll figure out the other side somehow. We'll figure it out. Woo! Nice raised lunge. Woo. Okay, and then we'll take our hands to the floor. Since this is the advanced class, we have no problem with doing this. I think this is called reverse lunge. Now, if you want to have your hands on blocks, you certainly can. And we're going to go back and forth in beautiful flow. Flexing the foot in the front. Oh, wow, we could even go into Hanuman, I suppose. And pull. And roll. Pull. Roll. Pull. Oh, last one, roll. Okay, here's the transition. Okay, back leg is going to bend. Okay, take it 90 degrees, tuck the back toe. We're not going to do Balinese. We're going to do this wonderful gate pose. We haven't done this in a while. Actually, don't untuck the back toe. I said that wrong. Yeah, gate pose, and just take this over. Yeah, that's it. This is it doesn't get more classical than this, you guys. If anyone was ever going to accuse me of not doing traditional yoga, they were proven wrong here. Parigasana. Okay, that's what they teach beginners before even Trikonasana. They teach them that. Okay, come to angel. Okay, hands to the floor. Here's the same transition. Little hop. Boom. There we go. No biggie. Rolling up. Turn out the toes. That's it. And then in horse, and we do just 1 or 2 more of these, and then we'll go into our lunge on the other side. This is it. Pull and trace over the lung meridian here. And then the next time we go to that right side, we'll take it into the full pose, Parshvakonasana. So elbow goes to the thigh, back foot turns out, and here we go, traditional. This is actually the modified version of the pose. Yeah, we want to pull the elbow, shoulder down away from the ear. And drop the sitting bone of the front leg, ideally. Ideally, we want that front thigh parallel with the floor as much as we can. Ooh. And then circle. Yeah, so all the standing work, and of course, this is all, yes? Come on down. Yeah, it's all root chakra. It's all Muladhara, all of that leg work. All the standing poses and the horses, that's all for the first chakra. So it's really, you know, I mean, we're really supposed to have mastered all that stuff. You know, in order to even be doing all this other kind of fancy stuff. So pulling through, so this is a really, really nice, I mean, it's not easy, I understand. It takes a lot of flexibility, but once you have the flexibility, it becomes kind of enjoyable. But it's a great one to build your flexibility. This is the prime Hanumanasana preparation movement. So just let it be nice and juicy. Roll it through. Pull. And then next one, we'll take it into the gate. So how we're going to do that is you're going to bend the back knee, boop, and then turn at 90 degrees. Do not tuck the toe. I was incorrect when I said that on the other side. And then Parigasana, the gate. Yeah, it can be done with a hand on here. That's also done up here like this. But I just felt like doing this tonight. Ooh. Great, release. Okay, come to angel. Actually, you can just come to Vajrasana if you want. So you do not have to sit on the toes.